How to create Instagram Reels using infinity zoom effect in CapCut. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel so let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is you have to open up your CapCut. And here you can either create a new project or you can select the existing project and edit on it. Since we are trying to create a reel with infinity zoom effect, we need to add an animation in the photo that we have selected. So for that you have to tap on the box with a vertical line in the middle of the two photos. After tapping on that, you'll be able to see the various options over here. You have to swipe to the left and see for infinite. So here you can see there are infinite 1 and infinite 2 option. You can try it according to your wish, and whichever is suitable for you, you can select it and you can tap on right option, which is in the right lower corner. After doing on that, the effect will be applied to your project, and by following this simple step you can create a reel with infinity zoom effect in CapCut. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.